Always, MBM is always the highlight of our Mandaue Business Business Summit. So I'm glad it's done, and I'm very happy with the turnout. It was quite a good turnout. So, and everybody was saying we had a very good lineup of speakers.
So for kasi pinaka-favorite din mo na topic kanina.
Oh, they have different topics that are all very interesting. I don't play favorites.
I think it's timely to discuss those
Topics.
Well, I mean, for the
Yeah,
whole day,
yeah.
that pwede ma-apply na to sa atong mga respective
Yeah, I
businesses.
think everybody will have some learning from different speakers where it inspires them. Like there's no one speaker that dominates the summit. So we are very careful in choosing our speakers. It takes the team a lot of discussion to zero in on who to invite.
And it's well attended by the VIPs like the finance secretary, and we have the OPAG,
Yeah.
Governor Pitilla.
Yes. Thank God. It was a very well attended event. So I'm very pleased with the team for all the preparation they made to make this successful event.
And your invitation, ma'am, for the remaining events until I think up to November pa ta, no?
Yeah, I believe we have a whole lineup of events for the whole month of August, September. Yeah, I think all the way to November. There's a bowling activity. There is a job fair, and there are other. I
World
cannot
Bakery.
World. But that is, what is that? I cannot remember
And
the
yung
dates now.
invitation na lang mo.
Yes.
Members
So,
and of course interested na.
yeah, so to all our MCCI members and non-members, we have many more lineup of activities. Just please look at our social media for announcements of what events that are coming up, and we hope you join us and be a member also, so that you can enjoy the benefits of being an MCCI member.
Thank you, ma'am. Congrats.
Thank you.